Pan mynd i bob tro? Oh, no. Can't be having that. Sit down! Du sitter va? Fuck off! No, I'm not willing. So... Zo'n gunner al? Oh my god! Ik kan even fucking... Jongens, doe dit damage er. What a sexy lady. Oh shit. Sexy lady, sexy car, and a sexy gun. My name is James Bond. Spear? Hina the renting. Just a awful JPEG there. Oh my god. Put him over the hunts at that. 4. Hyn oedd o! Done. O'n byd rili agos. Dych yn fawr. It's gonna be...
No, you see, I'm talking facts here. I don't do if, buts and maybes. I do absolute...
Dwi ail neud soundboard fi. Di hwn.
Oh, fuck. I can't believe you've done this.
Okay.
Be me or fight me.
Hwna.
With the glass ceiling broken, all the oppressed groups shall prosper, especially the most oppressed group of all, gamers.
Byd yna hwnna. Na.
How could this happen?
So byd yna hwnna, de?
Why are we still here?
Iawn, dwi eisiau gêm arall, on. Dwi eisiau gêm arall... Be mae o?
Be me or fight me.
Be me or fight me. Gêm arall. A consol arall. Gêm awful arall i fi chwarae. Yr un post? Ti off yn yr un post? Na, dwi'n mynd Jungle Book yn shit. Yr un post? Gossip Town. O, Lakeview. Na, dwi'n mynd o'n do. O'n i diwrnod i ffwr orffan. Gossip Town. Lakeview, dwi'n meddwl yn hwnna. Beth eich chwarae fan? World is my oyster fan. Ti'n beth dwi'n ffansi beth? Dwi'n ffansi beth. Wel gan dewis gêm o collection chdi i fi wneud. Sydd ddim yn Jungle Book. Dwi'n mynd i disgod yn chwarae, gweld pa games sydd i reid yn fanna. Yto. Pa hen games sydd i reid yn fanna. Let's have a look. Tasmania ar y Master System. Eisiau Tasmania, dde. Oh my god, beth yw'r games ma ti'n bydd? Dwi'n ffansi beth. Harry Potter. Ooh, Harry Potter PS1. Am shout, de. Am shout. Ti'n be? Dwi'n ei hwnnw. Tara i'r mistar, de. Ia. Ydwi yn total legit collection fi Harry Potter ar y PS1. Pa un Chamber of Secrets a'r llall? Rai fi wneud bach o setio fyny fe yma. Na, well, that's it, na fo, 6, though. 6, though. Iawn, Harry Potter. For the record, dwi ddim yn licio Harry Potter. Mae Harry Potter... T'o be? Reid stibig. I perthynas fi efo James Bond. Really? Okay, hwn yn mynd i weithio. Let's have a look. Harry Potter. You're a wizard, Harry. Oh, na, ydw. King of Crusher. So, enw arall efo, Harry Potter os efo. Iawn, I fi just... Ti fi'n mynd i fewn i... Total legit achub fi. Ia, pa gem... Pa un sydd fel fatha y boi teo mor ffynnu na fo? Sy'n meme. A fe dweud, playing Quidditch. Fyddai'n exposed yn fuan iawn efo lack of knowledge am Harry Potter. Hwna dyr un efo Bojack. Nac yn Bojack. Hagrid. Pa un ydw hwnna ddo? Sorcerer's Stone. Harry Potter. So dim Chamber of Secrets dwi siarad, okay? Sorcerer's Stone, ie? Yeah? Dyn ni'n cytun yn hynna. Dwi jyst yn rhedeg fyny grisiau nôl copi fi o'r gem. So chi jyst dal arni os gwelwch yn dda. Dwi jyst yn mynd i nôl copi fi o'r gem wan. Sut dim gyda fi'n barod? Iawn ta? Ydy hwnna efo... Be di general feeling pobl am Harry Potter yn y chat? It's gonna ni Harry heads yma, Potterheads. So fwy o potheads a Potterheads yn y chat. Ti'n joio? Wyt ti yn gwybod pa haws... Ddil fynd yn hynna cyn i fi ddechrau chwarae fo? Which house am I? Harry Potter. Os o rwla a... Discover. Okay. Oh, Windows 11. Pam ti'n just yn awkward? Be os de, ai... Hyn de? Di hwn... Hogwarts... Sorting... Quiz? Pottermore. Yn official, dwi isio. Di'r top yn official. Wizarding World yma. Sign up. Date of birth. 05. 02. 1980. So, take part in official Hogwarts sorting ceremony. Sign up. Dwi jyst yn mynd i wneud hynna, i fi cael wneud stwff. Os ydych chi'n mynd gofyn beth dwi'n wneud. First name, Emrys. Last name, Hobo. Yndw i ti? Yndw? Oce, iawn. House unknown. So, cyn i fi gallu chwarae... Cut. So, felly ni'n siŵr fod y gem yn gweithio gyda sa. Rescan. Ti'n hen ti? Ti'n 30 nesa?
Thank you very much, Jeremy. Diolch yn fawr iawn am y geiriau caredig na. We very much appreciate the kind sentiments.
Diolch yn fawr o fydda. Am galw fi'n hen. A dim hen ydi o, dwi'n hun. Diolch yn fawr. Harry Potter, na fo. So, cyn i fi gallu chwarae hwn... Dwi angen gwybod pa haws dwi'n oes. Oce. Henoed. Ti'n 30 nesa, ti'n mynd cael dod o fewn o'r attitude yna fe yma. Iawn. Pa haws dwi? Get sorted now. Dyn, augmented. Fucked in. Nah, get sorted now. Iawn. Dwi'n cael yn sortio yn y Harry Potter thing wan. Moon or stars? Don't do moon. Late at night, walking... Accept cookies. The fuck? Late at night, walking alone down the street, you hear a peculiar cry that you believe to have a magical source. Do you draw your wand and stand your guard? It's a visual search. Oh, okay. Withdraw into the shadows to await deployment while mentally reviewing the most appropriate defensive and offensive spell should trouble occur. Draw your wand and try to discover the source of the noise. Proceed with caution, keeping one hand on your concealed wand and an eye out for disturbances. Bydd i'r sôn, ie? Hwna. Which of the following do you find most Oh my god. The therapist fi. I really for loneliness. boredom, hunger, being ignored, cold. Those are not the same. Loneliness, dwi'n mynd i ddweud. Which of the following would you most like to study? Mer people. Mermaids. Ooh, na. Be? They've got massive insights on his psyche, yeah. Sexy fish ladies, sexy half horsewoman, sexy werewolves, sexy vampires, sexy goblins, sexy trolls, a sexy ghosts. Okay, dwi'n mewn coelio mewn ghosts, so dwi'n meddwl bod y ghost na di. Dwi'n studio beth sy'n wir. Trolls, don't do internet trolls. Not funny. Dwi'n hen shit yna, no trolls. Goblins, dwi'n meddwl licio someone yn cael ei perceive in the films. Lots, yeah, na. Vampires, dwi'n meddwl licio ffilm vampire na. Dwi'n un o'r ffilm vampire na. Dwi'n fucking Kristen Stewart a Batman. Eclipse. Na, beth yna fo? Twilight. Don't do Twilight. Werewolves. That's furries, that's beth lle, ie. Okay, eich di fewn hynna. Werewolves. Which of the following would you most hate people to call you? Ignorant, selfish, ordinary, cowardly. Cowardly? Yeah, I don't give a shit. Yeah. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n cowardly, dwi'n pwy sy'n galw fi hynna. Ordinary, hollol fine. Selfish, dwi'n meddwl dwi'n selfish. Ignorant. Ignorant. You enter an enchanted garden. What would you be most curious to examine first? The fat red toadstool that appear to be talking to each other. The bubbling pool in the depths of which something luminous is swirling. Whoa! Ah, shit, hwnna ta. If you are attending Hogwarts, which pet would you choose to take with you? Toad, cat, or owls? Dwi'n cysyn nes ti ddechrau efo, dwi'n mynd coelio yn ghost, ond efo rhesymau eraill, oedd yn golygu bod chdi'n coelio yn hynny. Dwi'n mynd coelio yn nhw. Dwi'n mynd trystio adar. Chi'n mynd gold yna, owls. Owls, cath, that's it. So be, dwi'n mynd yn meddwl amdan cath, dwi eisiau cath, iawn, ond dwi ddim yn meddwl dwi efo emotional fortitude i cael cath. Dwi'n mynd dda iawn efo rejection. Dwi'n mynd dda iawn yn rhywun yn anwybyddu fi neu bod yn oeraidd i fi. Dwi'n strygl efo. So dwi'n meddwl cath yn abusive relationship i fi. So dwi'n mynd cath. If you attended Hogwarts, which pet would you choose to take with you? Okay, ginger cat, white cat, Siamese cat. Un ydy rei fatha dim blew, ie. Tabby cat, black cat. Ginger cat. Left or right? Right, dwi'n right-handed. Dwi'n right-handed, ond mae politics fi'r left, ddo. Left. Ooh! Barod? Pa house dwi'n? Except cookies. Slytherin! Dim pobl drwg di Slytherin. Dwi'n mynd coelio yn y mumbo jumbo stuff, iawn. Ond, iawn. Ond, dwi eisiau highlight un peth i chdi. Did you know Merlin himself was a Slytherin, okay? Merlin, iawn. Ti'n gweld hwnna? Merlin himself, iawn. Merlin's middle name. Sbia. Sbia. Merlin was a Slytherin. Merlin yn Gymraeg, Myrddin Emrys. Ti'n ddol? So... Be di Patronus? Be di Patronus? Fucked in. Positive force. Spirit animal fi. Be di spirit animal fi? O, sbia? No, tit. Happiest memory. Gorffen y gem ma. Dwi'n mynd i clicio stwff random, dwi'n meddwl amdano fo. Ta ydw i'n meddwl amdano fo, ta ydw i'n subconsciously meddwl amdano fo. Well, dwi'n fucking eagle neu tiger na beth de. Seriously. This is astonishing. Gyrru hwn i ryw fath o cymrychel. Fucking bat! Fucking... Ond... Endangered. Ti'n gwybod be ddo? Ti'n gwybod be ddo? Dwi'n dall, rwan. Dwi'n dall. Dwi'n dall. Dwi ddim yn dall. Fucking land of make-believe yma. Pan was yw'n unicorn? Neu snowy owl, neu stag? Top 20. Di Batman hyd yn y top 20? Fucking stupid. Yo, wand's gonna be ar ôl on. Find your wand. First of all, would you describe yourself as average height, tall, or short? Dwi'n 5'11". Dwi'n 5'11 inches. Dwi'n... Efo sgidia, dwi'n 6 foot tall. Efo sgidia sydd ddim yn cymryd y piss. 5'11", ydy 5'11 yn tal, yndi, tal. Tall. Eyes, brown. What was the day on which you were born an 5th odd number? Do you most pride yourself on your determination, imagination, resilience, intelligence, originality, optimism, kindness? Reit kind there. Dwi'n reit kind there. Dwi'n optimistic. Dwi'n determined. Dwi'n reit clever there. Kindness. Traveling alone down the deserted road, you reach a crossroads. Do you continue left towards the sea, right toward the castle, ahead towards the sea? Do you most fear fire, darkness, isolation, height, small spaces? Darkness. In a chest of magical artifacts, which would you choose? Silver dagger, ornate mirror, glittering jewel, bound scroll, golden key, dusty bottle, black glove. Huh? Dibynnu be mae'n neud, yndi? Golden key. You want me? A key of wood with phoenix core, 13 3/4 inch, and quite bendy flexibility. Be fucked, you know. Fucking nuts, yeah. Yo, dwi'n slithering. That's the fucking amser. Iawn ta. Pwydwch y sbyn up. Hey, Bahawia, dyn chat. Oes, mae gynnu fi wand here. Sut ti'n iwsio wands yn bwysig? Dwi'n eisiau falch di crazy Welsh sheep yma. So fan hynna'n fudur. Iawn, hanner awr bach arall o hwn. Check your memory card. No Harry Potter saves a memory card. Would you like to create one? Yes. Creating Harry Potter save. Diolch yn fawr, fel fe. Okay.
No, you see, I'm talking facts here. I don't do if, buts and maybes. I do absolutes.
Absolutes.
All I do is sit down at the typewriter and start hitting.
Heb je wybod?
Getting them in the right order. That's the
trick. Un o'r ffilm.
That's the trick.
There was nothing about the starry sky that night to suggest that strange and mysterious things would soon be happening. As unsuspecting muggles slept, a huge motorbike with a giant astride it tumbled down from the darkness. The giant, named Hagrid, left a blanket-wrapped bundle on the doorstep of number 4 Privet Drive. Nestled in the bundle was a baby, Harry Potter, the boy who lived. For the next 11 years, Harry lived with his dreadful step-parents, the Dursleys, until that fateful day when he received the letter inviting him to attend Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Hagrid took Harry to Diagon Alley to purchase a most unusual list of school supplies. Soon after, Harry caught the Hogwarts Express from platform 9 3/4 and left the Muggle world far behind. Harry sat beneath a sorting hat, hoping that he would not be chosen for Slytherin House over Gryffindor. Not Slytherin, eh? Said the hat in his ear. You could be great. It's all here in your head, and Slytherin will help you on your way to greatness. No? Well, if you're sure, better be Gryffindor!
Ti'n neud, dwi'n adio rhywbeth i'r sound source. Welcome to the Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. I am Albus Dumbledore, your headmaster. It's a bit of a science, isn't it?
Now, Hogwarts is full of secrets, Harry, so search behind every door. But keep in mind, not all secrets are rewarding. Oh, which reminds me, the third floor corridor is out of bounds to everyone who does not wish to suffer a most painful death.
Yeah, Nathan. So ti di gorffan hwn? Ti'n expert? Ti'n dweud fi fel fadan? Ti'n expert ar y gem ma? Oh, nice, yeah. We see the blanks.
Nitwit, blubber, oddment, tweak. 4 wonderful words, don't you think?
The fuck? Portrait room.
Well, now, it's nice to see a new face and a Gryffindor, too. Good for you. I can't remember the last time I opened up. I'm a bit rusty, you see. I'm not sure I still can. However, if you can find out the correct password, I'll give it a go. Off you go, then, but be careful. There are some odd creatures about.
Fuck the controls. Locked. 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 Dwi wedi jumpio. Locked. Locked. Oh, na Gryffindor Tower. Be dwi wedi neud?
By the look of that scar, you must be
Harry Potter.
I'm Fred Weasley.
You're Potter.
And this is my brother, George. Hello there,
We
Harry.
are the
We have a
Weasleys.
proposal
How are
for
you?
In Hogwarts, there are special portraits. And behind these special portraits are prizes. But of course, not just anyone can open up the portraits. You need to know the password. If you bring us earwax every flavour beans, we'll tell you the password. We'll be in the Gryffindor common room, which is through the portrait of the fat lady.
Fat lady.
See you around, Harry.
See you around, Harry.
Password?
Caput Draconis.
If you lose any stamina, grab a chocolate frog. It'll give you back some energy.
Give me back some energy. Save game. I don't care. Cool. Cool.
my room tidy.
So we'll get some rectors.
When you drink a Wiggen Wild potion, it replenishes all you have. Remarkable, isn't it?
Vet du vad din nöjd man? Ja. Så kan vi ropa att gamet då på den as in. Hon hade declare. Svär.
Hey Harry!
Hey Harry!
Remember me, Ron Weasley.
I'm Ron Weasley.
Slytherin Draco Malfoy ran through this door with an owl under his arm. I think it was your owl Hedwig. Let's go after him.
Let's go after that blaming bird. Okay, well, what's going on? Capture that blinking bird! It's going all over the place.
Come on, Harry. Let's find Hedwig.
Well, well, well.
Potter!
This is the famous Harry Potter. I'm Draco Malfoy, and you do well to show me respect. Looking for that owl of yours? How careless of you to leave it lying Go home to your mother, Potter. Oh, sorry. You don't have one, do you?
Die pawb yn Slytherin ddim fath o fo. Y ffaith dwi'n Slytherin hefyd yn dim byd nid y ffaith fod boi na'n mean.
He's a nasty piece of work. Just ignore him. Us Gryffindors should stick together. Come on, Harry, follow me. To climb up.
I'll punch him with my fist.
Let's go.
Du did Emrys promise stop. Dwi'n off yn y gem o'n.
To jump, just approach the edge and keep pressing forwards on the controller.
Diolch Ron.
Look, there's another feather. I'll double back and watch the entrance. You better go on and rescue.
Fucking. Chdi mynd I helpu fi. Da ddim yn un byr. What? Gorfod.
Hello, Harry Potter. My name is Nearly Headless Nick, and I am the Gryffindor House Ghost.
Oh,
look how tall this
John
room is.
Cleese.
I mean, you must go all the way to the top to get out. If you want to look around, press your triangle button.
Some logistics for man this sense. Faith to them dedicated jumper to bach and weird. Okay. What's it Venata? What? Huh! Huh! That's how richtig. Du just syth the pobl o fucking wand fi. Efo wand bullets. On the god, but getting fast.
Ah, some snails have escaped from a care of magical creatures class. Careful, they're dreadfully poisonous. press the cross button to cast the Flippendo knockback jinx from your wand. That should stop the wretched things. And watch out for those poisonous snail trails.
Och där! Jag har nyttig version iawn o'r gem. Poeni wan, dwi'n isio chwarae... What? Na hwn di'r gyntaf. Oh, mae yna version PS2 hefyd. Rhaid fi chwarae hwn mewn fydd.
You can use your L2 and R2 buttons to rotate the game camera.
Ddylai fi chwarae'r un yma ta'r un... Os dwi ddim yn chwarae definitive version... A eisiau chwarae'r un PS1, ia. Dwi'n gorfeddwl ond o.
Press the triangle button to view. You can also cast a flip. See what you can find to...
This is it. PS1 med vergan.
Hello again. Did you notice that those poisonous snails twinkled? Things that twinkle can be affected by a Flippendo knockback jinx. This is a jinx block. Your Flippendo knockback jinx will move it aside.
Ooh.
To move the jinx block, cast Flippendo at it.
Oh, spear! Game changer. Absolute game changer. Ooh. Yeah. Hey.
Flippendo!
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 Well, you've made it this far. Now, a tall jinx block like this one needs a charged Flippendo knockback jinx to cast a charge.
Flippendo! Flippendo! Flippendo!
Flippendo!
Flippendo!
on, Neville Longbottom. Malfoy led me down here and then ran through a secret passage.
I used to be
with an
ugly,
owl.
but now I'm very
Now I'm trapped by these
attractive.
enchanted
Whoa!
books. I've lost my wand, so I can't knock the books out of the way with Flipendo. Use the
Flipendo.
L1 button to point your wand at the flying books, then use your cross button to cast.
You look up on my games and
The lever is around here somewhere. There! I found it!
wow, det var den en rot. Den rot. Positive chat only when my players. Mae boi'n hot one though, ond hynna sy'n bwysig. Ww! Awl fi. Tylluan wen fi.
A charged Flipendo knockback jinx might free Hagrid from those. Keep the cross button held.
Flipendo!
Ti'n gwybod mae hwnna ar YouTube I gyd, dweud?
Flipendo!
Tylluan wen. Be di enw hwn? Hemingway? Be di enw ar y tylluan yma? Hedwig Hemingway. Oh,
I see you rescued Hedwig. She was eager to get out, so I opened the door for her. That'll teach Malfoy to mess with us. Hi, I'm Neville. I'm in Gryffindor too. Harry helped me escape. Nice to meet you, Neville. Come on down.
Come on down, Neville.
It's all
We're all
right.
friends
You guys
here in
go ahead.
Gryffindor.
I think I've lost my toad, Trevor. Come on, Harry. Let's go.
O, dwi'n mynd I helpu fo. Dwi'n licio llechiad telynna ar pobl pan dwi'n llun nhw. Ocyn chdi lot o bres. Yes! I got Quidditch.
Wow! Hagrid brought you a broomstick. I'll show you where the flying lesson is.
O, allai o'n dychmygu fydd hwn yn dda.
Here's the doorway to the flying lesson. Watch yourself, Harry. I'm still waiting for my broomstick. Our stupid owl is ancient. It's going to take forever.
No. Gyda fi beans yma na. Can you go watch on to Llian Wen?
Madam Hooch, your teacher. There is a house point bonus if you excel at any of the following tasks. Steer your broomstick using the directional buttons and press the cross button to move forward.
Oh shit, is him.
First, fly through each hoop that appears.
Shit, them. Ah! What?
Well done. 5 points for Gryffindor. The next test is a little harder, but there are... Fly through each magic hoop that appears. Remember, slow down to turn tighter.
Oh, the
Ready, Potter?
beans. When that... I'm a wizard. Go back. Ddim yn control a while, there.
Oh!
Whoa! Harry! Stop it, chwarae fe hwnna, Harry! Shit.
do believe you may have a natural talent for this. Ready for a tougher challenge? There are bonus house points for a perfect... As before, fly through each of the magic hoops. On my whistle.
Stop and leave in the hen. Shit. Fuck's sakes!
Well done, Potter. A good score. 5 more house points for Gryffindor. You have mastered the basics of... Now run along.
Wel.
Ti ddim gwahaniaeth gyda I pwy sort o raglenni dyn nhw, de?
Hi, Harry. Have you met Hermione yet? She's a real know-it-all. And a teacher's pet.
I didn't find it.
I am not.
Hello,
Harry.
I am
Charms class is about to start. Isn't it exciting? She's rather annoying, isn't she?
Whoa, not good. So remember the basics of pumps. So that fyddai'n dod nôl I Metal Gear Solid 3. It's on the list. Ma set fyny PS3 efo setup fi just fucking annoying. Save game. Okay. Faint o percentage dwi wedi neud y game on. Dwi wedi neud 12% o'r game yn barod. Mae hwn yn hawdd?
Oh no! I forgot in my spell book. I'll catch you up, Harry.
Yeah, whatevs. Whatevs.
Get to the charms class before the timer runs out. Walk through the floating clocks to start the timer.
Ham.
You must be Harry Potter. Welcome to Charms class. You're just in time.
Oh, Boyle and Willow.
Welcome, young wizards. I am Professor Flitwick, and today you will learn the spell Wingardium Leviosa. Watch my wand move and press the symbol button it points to. Complete each sequence 3 times to learn the spell Wingardium Leviosa.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Remember, press the symbol button that my wand points to. Get ready. That was good. Excellent. Perfect.
Cool.
Superb. Keep up now. It's good. Keep trying. That was good. Excellent. Perfect.
Teacher's path summer.
You've mastered Wingardium Leviosa.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Leviosa spell put into practice.
Will do. Keep it up,
now,
it's going to
listen
get harder.
Carefully. An object that can be charmed will be marked with a yellow sparkle.
Ooh.
A charmed object can be levitated. Keep the cross button depressed if you want to change the object's height.
try levitating the hourglass onto its pedestal to open the door. Press the triangle button to release the...
Wingardium Leviosa!
Yes! That's that film.
Well done! 5 points to Gryffindor.
Points for hawdd. Ydw i'n natural wizard? Ydw i'n really dan wizardry o? O'n i'n meddwl sados oedd yn gwachad Harry Potter back in the day.
Dear Harry, please meet me in the castle grounds. You can get to the castle grounds through the front door of the castle. Pop around for a cup of tea and a chat. I have something important to tell you. Your friend, Hagrid.
Ddim yn gwybod pwtio. Yes. It's a fast roll, yeah. Fuck ydw i'n? Beth ai prynu efo beans fi?
Caput Draconic!
Ei! Dwi roed I wastio eiliad ar anime. Oedd dim hynna'n cael ei wastio ar anime. Nah, I tell a lie.
Hello, Harry. Still haven't managed to collect the yellow earwax every flavour beans.
Oh!
Give us the beans, and George and I have left something behind the portrait that you might...
Anime a Wizards eid debyg, dwi'n meddwl. Mae ddau yr un mor sad a'i gilydd. Grades for you, let's go. Land of Make-Believe yn hollol. Na I fadda I chdi dwy'n catchphrase fi. Ond yeah, Land of Make-Believe. Oh, so cool! Game design. Sbia? Whee! Okay, so. Digon o hwyl o fanna. Gormod o hwyl. Fflio trwy gem a da. 14%. Just keep it coming. Done. Armor gallery. Fel wedi cael armor fi. Oh my god. Seriously. Oh, we got t-shirt Twitch. Dwi wedi cael Oxer shorts, no, Oxer undies. A dwi wedi cael USB hub. Ti wedi cael rhywbeth o Prime Day. Happy Prime Day with pobl yn chat.
I think Peeves has been at work. I hope I
Cofiwch, os ydych chi efo Twitch Prime, allwch chi subio I fi I gael fwy o content fel hyn. Health and safety. Wizards, yeah. Ti'n bod dwi'n mynd all, iawn? Gynnu nhw magic a shit yn hwn oes? Pam allu nhw just ddim fatha... Pam yn hospitals? Dwi'n cofyn un o'r ffilms mewn hospital am ages. Pam ddim fatha just ddim magic yn nhw'n iawn? Mae fatha mae J.K. Rowling yn nid o fyny wrth mynd ymlaen. Dwi'n ôl fa ma'n.
Well, Potter.
Potter!
Meet again.
Potter!
Having a tour of the castle, are we? This is as far as you'll be going. You won't get past...
Well, actually, dyna lle mae pobl yn specialisio yn medical magic yn gweithio. Fel dwi'n imagine o'ch ni'n deud yna wan. Ddim yn gant o beth o'n dweud dwi'n. Dweud syth i chdi.
Wingardium Leviosa!
Sure. Well, actually...
Wingardium Leviosa!
Seriously, bob to? Out of my way, Malfoy. Actually... Okay, now!
Oh, time for a lesson, Potter. Let me teach you about wizard crackers. You're not leaving this castle until I have revenge.
What the fuck? Be di wedi neud yma? Dwi'n methu ddim imio. Be dwi wedi neud? Dwi'n methu symud o? Ah. Okay, sorry. Ella ni bach yn mynd o flin yn fast ar gêm i blant. Fucking his face! Bitch! Fucking stuff in fi.
Crap! Take care of this upstart. Now, Potter, I'll give you a taste of my super wizard crackers.
What? Pam sy'n ddim yn stopio ffeit ma? O, fo'n i drugs, ie. Fo gath i neud am i drugs, ie. What the fuck? Symud! Cool move. Cool move. Sure. Oh my god! What?
Crab, you idiot! You're supposed
Ti'n gwybod lot o random trivia am rhywun sydd ddim yn bothered. Dwi'n gwybod, dwi wedi darllen y hot plot.
Who the real wizards are.
Dwi wedi darllen y hot plot ar Wikipedia. Dwi'n gwybod beth sy'n ymlaen. Ti'n disgwyl o ddechrau tafod o beth da, a ti'n mynd. Sut mae'n gallu just... Come on. Pro gamer, pro gamer. How's that really helping me?
Blast you, Potter!
Blast you, Potter!
Be so lucky.
I love you, I love you. I'll do you in, Potter. Whoa, dwi yn child yn y game hefyd. Everything in context. Everything in context.
The House Point hourglasses are slowly filling up.
Bully wizards him. O, Craig, nes ti festyn gyna? Nes i cael reid fewn... Nes i wneud y Harry Potter hat thing.
Hufflepuff.
Dwi'n Slytherin.
Slytherin. Gryffindor.
Dwi'n Slytherin a Bat di spirit animal fi. A dwi efo 13 and 3/4 one.
Cup for a 7th consecutive year.
Nes i wneud ar yr official website. So. Pretty official.
Harry, you're a wizard. Hello, Harry. It's me, Hagrid. Good to see you. These are the Hogwarts Castle grounds, and I'm the gamekeeper, of course. You'll need to attend your herbology class. Professor Sprout's in the greenhouse waiting for you. Come round the hut later for tea. I've something to ask you. My hut's in the grounds.
Specs maar in drooien, hè? Fuck sex.
Flipendo!
Shit. Eens, man.
Flipendo! Flipendo! Flipendo!
Easy.
Harry Potter, I presume. Welcome to herbology. You're just in time.
Just in time.
Good day, students. I'm Professor Sprout. Right, let's learn how to cast an incendio spell. Watch my wand move around the screen and press. Complete each sequence 3 times to learn the incendio spell. That's the ticket. Now let's start the lesson. Get ready. Oh dear. That was good. Excellent. Perfect. Most impressive. Now try this one. That was good.
Wel, gallu ddal fi allan o beth
Excellent.
slei fel la.
Perfect. Well done. You've mastered the... Now follow me to learn how to use...
Mastered.
Let's try the incendio spell to wither a bouncing bulb. Use your wand on the bouncing... Hit the correct symbols and you'll build up enough spell...
Incendio!
God.
Excellent, Harry. 5 points to Gryffindor.
Have you been to Quidditch training yet?
Quidditch!
This year, they're even letting first years train. You should have a go. I hear you're pretty good on a broomstick.
Beth ti'n dweud, met? Beth ti wedi gwybod, met? Dyma dan... Thing arall i gwybod amdan Harry Potter, de? Un o'r top teams yn y Wizarding World, de? Ydy Holyhead. A mae graig Harry Potter, sef chwaer y boi Ginger, wedi chwarae i Holyhead. Ie. Yeah. So dwi'n gwybod hynna. Genie, ie. Yeah. So...
Welcome, Mr. Potter. Grab your broomstick and we'll begin the training. Welcome to Quidditch training. Whichever seeker catches the golden snitch scores his team 150 points. Which is why seekers tend to get fouled so much. For your first seeker training, let's fly through 10 hoops generated by the gold. Get set. 3, 2...
Fucking natural.
Excellent. For that performance, you've earned gold wings and 25 house points for Gryffindor. Time for your second seeker trip. You seem to have the hang of chasing the snitch. Now fly through 20 hoops, then hit the cross button when the snitch moves towards you. On my mark. 3, 2...
Bastard! Ddim yn gwybod o'n dal yn neud...
Excellent. For that performance, you've earned gold wings and 25 house points to Gryffindor.
Be me or fight me.
Yes.
In a Quidditch match, Whichever team's seeker catches the golden snitch wins his team
What's the number,
150 points. This
Do not
often
chill,
results
do
in
not
that
chill.
seeker's team winning the match. Now, let's see how you manage catching a snitch while racing against another seeker.
Six.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Excellent. For that performance, you've earned gold wings and 25 house points for Gryffindor.
Wow. Gold wings.
Run along then, Mr. Potter. The Quidditch
Mr.
training
Potter.
doors are always open for you.
Nah. Hang on. Be natural. Bits of random chocolate on it. %23% are barod. Where they got from on dim. Oh.
Want the password for the portrait, Harry? Bring us blue, but watch yourself.
Ella by Total Legit PS1 we didn't cofio. Fuck one it.
My poor kitten has fallen down the well. I can't reach her.
You stupid person.
It's very dark down there. Will you help me?
Nah.
If you can find the bottom of the well.
Pam dwi'n ei prynu... Pam dwi'n ei fod random potion?
Flipendo! Flipendo! Flipendo!
I used to have a puffs game, but Fred and George used it for bludger practice.
In my bed, you know.
Puff skeins. Friendly fellas, but they have a large...
It's a bit dodge of him.
There you are. I hope you did well in your hub. Harry, can you fetch me some fire seeds from a rare plant in the plant lives just beyond. Been some very strange goings on of late. Be careful, Harry.
Pam ti'n gofyn i first year ta? Nôl, shit ma. Os yw'n berig. Fucking hell, Hagrid. Seriously?
Out of my way, Harry. There's a huge monster down there.
Oh no. I hope the monster will try to run after me. Oh no. Big bad monster, where are you?
Hello, you're a Gryffindor student, aren't you? Nice. If you want to proceed, you'll once you have it.
Be sy tu ôl y gwynebau yma? Dwi'n rhywbeth werth I gael? Come on. What the fuck?
Flipendo! Flipendo!
Dark Souls.
Flipendo! Flipendo! Ah!
Stuff.
Flipendo! Flipendo! Flipendo!
Other than in the film, been expelled.
Wingardium Leviosa!
Yes! Magic! Eat my purple beans. Not bad. Yeah. Dyma dda. Ond dim yn god awful, chwaith de. Ond ddim so waith de. Random potion in the forest, I'm gonna drink you. Hacker di gofyn fi ddod I fama lle efo fucking lava a shit. Seriously. Jedyna. What? Yeah.
Flipendo! Flipendo!
Oh, okay. Game design. This game has it. Oh. Okay. Andy Bob thing one.
Flipendo!
Come with me, you stupid animal. Sut yma? Sy'n fewn nhw ni?
Flipendo!
O, gais i fechan. Yes. What are we doing? Beans, beans, beans. Beans. Fflio trwy gema. Ddylai dwi'n cofio'r ffilm. %29%. Dwi'n mynd y bit yma a call it a night. Just casually mynd trwy lava yma. Pan mae llai'n neud magic? Pan mae llai'n fflio? Flying magic. Floor magic. Oh my god. Done. Oh my god!
Incendio!
Incendio! Scorcho!
Incendio!
What's wrong with him? What? Push us to fail. Fuck!
Incendio!
They pushed it!
Incendio!
Dwi'n fflio wan. Dwi'n nili efo bod tro, ie? Dwi'n beryllu.
Incendio!
Dwi'n pwysio yn iawn. Dwi'n gwybod mae'n edrych na dwi'n neud yn wrong. Dwi'n pwysio yn iawn!
Incendio!
Mae rhywbeth yn...
Incendio! Incendio!
Oh my god! Dim... Dwi yn... Dwi'n mynd i explosion hyn chydig bach yma. Dwi'n mynd i explosion hyn chydig bach yma. Dwi'n mynd i explosion hyn. Dwi'n mynd i ddangos. Ydy fe yn safe space? Ydy fe yn... Hwn de, ydy'r gêm, mae gennym fi 350 hours ar y gêm yma, iawn? No judging in the chat, iawn? Ond dwi'n mynd i ddangos gêm i chwan, mae gennym fi 350 hours. Hwn di'r gêm dwi'n chwarae mwy ar PS4 by a country mile. Os eitha... Gadael fi ddangos, o? Fi ddangos y gameplay. Dwi'n yn exposure hyn rhaid yn massive weird. Whoa, sa ddim nudity efo a gwbl. Dim... Dwi efo'r outfit i gyd. More or less.
At Nurofen, we know demanding lives can
Dwi'n ei streamio hwn rhyw dro.
But pain should never be in charge of your day.
Dwi'n eisiau neud peth yna, dwi'n eisiau neud esgyshogion de,
Unleash the speed of
ond...
liquid with Nurofen Express liquid capsules. You do the full-on
Ond...
day, we'll do the fast-acting headache relief.
Mae'r gêm yma yn esbonio pan dwi'n ddart ar... Mae hwn yn esbonio pan dwi'n ddart Tetris. So... So, just i Jyst i profi na, dim bai fi oedd hwn. Bai y gêm oedd o. Mae'n bwysig iawn i chi wybod na. Dwi wedi deud ar y stream unwaith, os ydych chi'n clywed dim bai fi di hynna. Dwi ddim yn mynd i repeatio fo. So... Dwi'n meddwl dwi wedi colli save file fi hefyd ddo. So... Ond mae'r DLC i gyd gyda fi. A dwi'n eisiau dweud chi faint oedd y DLC gostio. Y 2 pack o DLC. Just am extra cynniad a outfits. Ynddo, dwi'n enjoyo Vocaloids. Dwi'n ffrio trwy gema, de. Iawn, dwi'n mynd i ôl Hagrid i dy fire beans meddwl fo. A call it a day. Oh, 20%. You're backtrack yma. Beth oedd yma? Magic, de. Magic, dyna, Craig. Eto, pan mae pobl tew yn fit yn y Magic World, pan lle bod magic spell yn nhw'n really fit. Dylon na neb yn fit fod yn y Magic World. Mae'n literally ddim yn ei sens. Pam yn y... Pam mae lle ddim... Well, os ddim ffocin tlodi, de. Pam mae pob yn byw... Pam mae Ron Weasley a teulu Ron Weasley yn dlawd. Pam mae pob yn tawd. Pam oedd yn magic. Fucking... Magic fucking money.
Well done, Harry. You found the fire seeds. Now I can show you what I need them for. But it's our secret, mind you. Come on inside, Harry. Wipe your feet now.
Racism gwaed magic. What?
Welcome to my home, Harry. It's small, but still roomier than your cupboard under the stairs, eh? I got this from a man in the Hog's Head pub. It's a dragon egg. I need some fire seeds to give it that last burst of heat to force it to hatch. Go ahead and put them in the fire, Harry. You've done it, Harry. It's hatching.
Craig, paid a yummy mummy. Just a mummy, just a mam, yeah. Which one? The fucking...
Up you come,
Game of Thrones, remember?
Ain't he lovely? I'll call him Norbert. He's
Soon
an
climb
old
Game of Thrones,
ridgeback, you know.
Harry,
you're a true friend. I want you to have this book, Quidditch Through the Ages. I'd better give Norbert his first feed soon. I'll see you later, Harry. Thanks again.
Oh, well. Iawn ta, dwi'n dod o stream I ben. Very productive day. Dwi wedi gorffan y gêm 007 na. Giat, agor. Dwi wedi safio y llyfr na. Dwi'n fflio trwy gêm yma. O'n i'n gwybod os y gêm fel hyn yn byd I pro gamer wrth fi. I really have 1/3 trwy'r gêm yma. 31%. So... So, yeah. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Pob sy'n bod yn y chat. Wylio. Bod yn positif o fi pan ni'n gorffen James Bond. Dwi'n meddwl i offer hwn, ti'n nesaf. Dwi'n fflio tro hwn. Hwn yn hawdd. Allai ond gweld pethau da yn digwydd yn gêm yma. So... Ie, diolch yn fawr. Wela i chi yn y stream nesaf. Dwi wedi newid y botymau i gyd wan. Ydw i'n mynd i cofio'r number. Hwn. Naci. 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 Ie, diolch yn fawr iawn. Wela i chi, pwy wela i chi. Illa neud nôl lan os fori i orffan hwn. Nip it in the bud, get out of the door. Wedyn, yeah. Fuck out, sorry. Goodbye.